I am Netmini Madhavala. I am an attorney at law by profession. I am right now work as the head of programs for Hashtag Generation. It's a youth group working on advocacy and the rights of people that are disadvantaged in the society. So that's what I do. So I started to volunteer when I was very young, when I was in school, because there were a couple of projects that were undertaken by school to help less privileged rather families or the people from different parts of the country. So I was a part of such initiatives. In addition to that, if I am to talk about how I started volunteering in a more formal sort of a way, was when I joined this organization called Alcohol and Drug Information Center. This is right after I left school rather. And then I was there for 3-4 years working on alcohol and drug abuse issues. And then I moved to this another organization. It's another youth group, a movement rather, called Rotaract. So I was a Rotaractor for a good 7 years. There also I was able to take part in many initiatives, very important in my opinion for youth as well as the community in general. And then I volunteered with VForce. It's a UN related body that you have people volunteering for different goals or different activities. Then I started my employment as a United Nations volunteer, and I work for the Minister of Foreign Affairs and as a UNV for over 2 years. So on the International Volunteer Day, what my message would be to the ones who are in volunteering right now and the ones who would want to join, right? So this is a platform, this is a different world that you can express yourself, you can get involved, you can do things that matter, and you can always be happy about the contribution that you have made. You must be feeling on many different things that maybe I'm not doing enough, what can I do, how can I get involved? So this is the platform, right? Even if you have the minimal number of the resources or the time, still there are things that you can do. So pick something that you would like to do, pick an area that you would want to change and work, because there are many organizations that are willing to take you, right? And what we can do on the International Volunteer Day is to celebrate the work that we have been doing for a long time. So this is not easy, right? When you say volunteering, people would just say, it's just the working for free. But what you are giving is your time, your skills, your experience, your expertise. You are giving something, right? So this is a platform or a moment that you can recognize the work that the volunteers are doing or that you have done, and to come together for more collaborations, more coalitions to work better, and to recognize and to let people know of the amount of the work that we have done and the strength of a movement as a strength in volunteering. So that would be my message to the International Volunteers Day. Then I also work, the current organization that I work for, Hashtag Generation, I also joined them around 4 years ago as a volunteer when it was a volunteer-based movement. And so I have actually worked with so many different volunteer groups and movements over a period of, I don't know, a decade rather. So what I gain from it, right? What I gain from it mostly is the network. And it's the friends, and it's the ability to speak about something that I feel very passionate about, because otherwise I wouldn't have had an opportunity or a place or a stage for me to speak or to work or to engage. And so this is a platform that I could do all of that when I was very young. And then I managed to reach out to people that I couldn't otherwise, because through these organizations, through groups, I could. And it gave me some sort of a recognition for the work that I did. And it also gave me a FaceTime rather with people that very high profile people who can actually make a change in the policy or decision making regimes in the country. So all these things because I made the conscious decision to volunteer when I was very young. But I would like to invite you all to come and work with us. As I said, I am the head of programs at Hashtag. We are a youth group. We have been functioning for last 5 years rather. So what we do is we work with women, we work with youth. We would want women and youth to have more say in the decisions that are made in this country. It could be political, it could be your localities. That is something that we are very passionate about. And we will also work on countering hate speech, misinformation and fake news culture in Sri Lanka. Especially we are working on social media platforms and we do a lot of interesting work. So if you like to know what we are doing, we have a website, Hashtag Generation. You can check us out, and the same name goes for Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. We also have a LinkedIn page. Please go and check what we do, because you'll like most of the the chances are that you are going to like the work, and you can also get involved in the work that we do. So please reach out to us. We would love to have you in our work that we do. And I would also like to thank the volunteer.lk for this initiative to bring a voice, give a voice to the volunteers that are working behind the scenes with with very minimum recognition. Thank you.